chap's eyes shifted nervously back and forth in the stable's dimness. "I know you can do it," Rainbird said. His voice became lighter, almost humorous. "In fact, you can both do it."
I'm going to count that as an exit dive.
Andy,
Billy's feeling loose up there, and my brain just goes, "Gay Jim." And then the other part of my brain goes, "Don't do that." And then I said, "Fuck it, I'm going to
exit dive."
So I started doing the joke.
Has gone, right? That doesn't really like the Trump brand all that much. And we talked about this on the show. And the thing that always kind of caught my attention about Cox was they seemed to be part of that.
Red light, run. Wait, why are you passing on the shoulder? What the hell's going on? I'll check that. Nice cutoff.
It doesn't matter, and that because I grew up thinking that that's the kind of person someone who had a load of money should be. They should just not be encumbered essentially by expectations. Okay, I would disagree with it, but it's a perfect place. He doesn't have fuck you money, because if he had fuck you money, he would just say, "Fuck you, I'm doing a car podcast this week." And I don't think he does that.
Red light, Ron.
With what people want here, the people in his audience.
No stop.
He decided he did not. "All right," he said, "I'll be on the plane. 0700. And all the goddamn antibiotics I can swallow." "You're a bastard, Cap. Prove
yeah,
my
turning
character's
left and
beyond
not
the
looking
shadow
where
of
you're
doubt,"
going.
Cap said, beginning to radiate out.
Is that an
as the
exit
weird
dive up
battery
there?
or
Although I
whatever
don't
it
think the
was
camera will
turned
be
on.
able to see it.
She scanned the dark lofts overhead but couldn't spot him. There were too many
exit dive right in front of me.
Shadows.
Exit regret. No, that was an exit dive up there. Wow.
This story too, what was so shocking to me when I was reading this was the amount of people who knew what he was doing and still let him be around their child.
Exit regret.
What is that? What is that?
Oh, that was exit regret dive-ish. Last second, getting off a bus. Stupid. Yeah, straight from left turn lane. Yeah, you couldn't have waited for it to be cleared. Instead, you got to block people in the center turn lane from turning. Bad, bad, bad. Stop it. Hey, what? Really? Oh, you've got to be kidding me. You're going to insist on keeping on going. Yeah, learn how to fucking back out of places and look and shit. I assumed you saw me because you stopped initially.
Which is why, if you go to Wimbledon, the Royals, the box is on one end. Because when you
red light, Ron,
with a bunch of stolen dollars, fucking, you know, you have too much money to be whipping your head. So the people.
It seems like it's the same students, so they picked up on these micro-linguistic differences. Teach them no.
Hey, what
you
the?
Like 4 hours,
What the? You're driving on the sidewalk.
Okay,
that's creative. No stop. I can't stand no stops. I can't stand no stops. Wait, did I just miss my turn? Shit. I wanted to go to Nick's, not the Speedway.
You done messed up, Aaron!
Back of a shame. You really have to. Exit dive behind me.
So anyways, that poor kid does that. He felt so fucking bad. I actually felt really bad.
Exit regret.
Oh my god. It was so weird because he wasn't really doing
MAGA Mike Johnson here. MAGA Mike Johnson was asked on Face the Nation, so are you negotiating? Like, what are you doing? And MAGA Mike's like, well, it's quiet around here.
Dive for the right turn lane.
Negotiate.
Universe on starships. How will we keep track of the expansion of the universe?
Nope.
How will we find our way home when home isn't where we left it?
Oh, very important in navigation and finding your longitude around the world. Davis Sobel's famous book, Longitude, really blew open that field.
Nice cutoff.
And she is one of our...
I think that truck up there cut off that guy.
First star conference.
To return to Mooresville, Indiana. To see Dillinger's smart, the cops would never think to look
nice
for
cutoff.
Right. They didn't spend a couple in most games. Alright. Well, it looks like I'm going to be super hard to kill with cheese or scotch. So at least in the short term, as for today. And I think it's time for a
exit dive. BM double douche.
Snake venom again. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. No, get a 2-liter. Get a 2-liter this time.
Nope.
He's a lone wolf. Who is crazy? Wolf alone. Leave it. What's next?
A white angry loser shot John Lennon.
Was he alone?
Nope.
No. Married, actually. A job. Just a shitty Christian guy who wanted to shoot someone. I think I said Kevin James by accident, and it was even more violent when you guys came back. But then it was Kevin Hart. People wonder what's going to break up this man.
Asshole. Littering.
Kevin Hart.
It's going to be when they took the picture. It looked like he had an enormous erect.
Yeah.
Over 15,000 people came to see the body of John Dillinger.
Nice cutoff.
As it lay in the morgue of Cook County.
No stop.